This is my 2001 Cr125. It's been sitting for a year in this condition because I haven't had that much time to dedicate myself to it. I tried buffing out the frame a little bit, but there's other parts that actually need some more work because it looks pretty bad. I got try to make this like a green themed bike, so most of the stuff that I have are green. Whatever I couldn't find, I got it that, or I just left it as is. I took out the motor and got it rebuilt, top and bottom. I got a Wrench Rabbit rebuild kit from eBay, and recently I took out the spring. I'm gonna get a power coated lime green. There's other stuff that I found that I decided to change green as well. Some other stuff that I got off the dealership too. I also found these rims on eBay for about $300. Pretty economical versus the other options available. I got the tires out of a local shop for about $100 a pop. I got the fairings. I got new fairings ordered and new graphics that are gonna come in soon, and I'll be able to put everything together sometime this week or next week. And I still got to work on other little stuff. I mean, I ordered new levers and perch for the bike and a new throttle because the ones that are half year pretty used and worn up. And then after I get it in, I'll make another video to show some progress on it.